For our first experiment, let's see if we can toast a marshmallow with a laser. We're gonna use our awesome marshmallow skewer here, and we'll put a couple of these guys on. Oh yeah. Move that over, there we go. Oh, look at that, there we go. Now we're getting something. Just needed a little bit of time on there. Ooh, it smells like marshmallows. Okay, that's working. All right, so, you know, it toasted it, and you can see that there's a dark part here where it really burnt it, and then this was more of a toasting, but it's a pretty darn dark toasting. So the real question is, how does it taste? Now this took like 20 minutes to toast, so these are gonna be pretty stale and gross, but let's see. All right, it's actually not bad. It tastes a little bit like, you know, burnt marshmallow, but all things considered, not too bad. So I'd say the answer, can it toast marshmallows? Yeah. Next up, let's see if we can make some toast. If you're wondering what laser we're using for all of this cutting, this is the Snapmaker 10-watt laser module, and it has been awesome. Over the past few days, I've been using it to do everything from iPad engraving to highly detailed artwork, and even bending 5mm plywood like this. So if you want to learn more about this, check out the links in the description below. But for now, back to toasting. Okay, toast is ready. Ooh, it's smoky. Do you see all that smoke in here? Jeez. And there's our toast. That actually looks pretty decent. Let's take a look. I think it looks better on... Oh wow, it's like stuck on there. Okay. Okay, this looks, you know, it looks pretty unappetizing, to be honest. Let me see if I can get you a close-up on this. This is kind of wild. You can see the lines of the burning from the laser there. So it's kind of got like this weird little topography going on. Okay, it's good and, you know, crunchy sounding. Ooh. So it has that gross burnt taste. Oh, it's not good. Yeah, that's not good. Don't toast your bread in a laser. It's got that immediate, like burnt, like ashes kind of flavor. Don't ask me how I know what ashes taste like. And so it has the exact consistency and texture and experience that you would expect with toast, but with a little bit of an ashy grossness to it. So not recommended, but it worked. While we're doing really stupid things with toast, maybe we should do a really stupid giveaway. So I've got a really stupid giveaway for you. First person in the comments who can tell me what the artwork is on this piece of toast, I'll mail it to you. So send me your address and I'll send this off to you, and you can have your very own really stupid piece of toast. Why serve boring old hot dogs when you can serve custom engraved hot dogs? Oh man, look at that. Wow. Feel that water? Just sweated it all out. Holy moly. All right, here's a close-up, and you can see it really fried the heck out of this thing. Oh my goodness. Look at the O, it kind of popped out there. You can see how deep down it cut into the hot dog too on that O. That's crazy. All right, let's see what we got this time. There we go. And you can see another one I tried there. Ooh, that's pretty good. Next, we're gonna see if we can slice up an old banana. We're gonna try it with the peel on, and if that doesn't work, maybe we'll try it with the peel off too. Oh my gosh, there's banana peel juices coming out there. Oh, it stinks. It's so nasty. Ugh, that smells so bad. Oh, there's banana sparks. Okay, I smell the banana in there. That's crazy.
think that was it. Oh, look at that clean line. Okay, now here's the real question. What happens when I go to pick this thing up? Oh, it's still solid. Oh yeah, I totally didn't make it through. Let's see how far it did make it. Not very far. This time it's going a lot slower, and it's going to do 2 passes, and it's going to lower on the second pass. Whew, gross. Alright, there we go. Alright, my bet is this will be much deeper. Let's take a look. Let's break this thing and see on the inside. There we go, some scored banana. Cool.
For our 5th and final experiment, let's see if you can bake cookies with a laser engraver.
So I'm doing this little small one. Oh, that's overcooking it. That's too strong. Okay. Oh, look at all that smoke. Jeez. All right, I'm gonna close the door. I was hoping that by doing that small one, it might actually cook. So we'll see. It's gonna burn more than anything, it looks like. Let's see how our cookies came out. I'm super scared to try these. Ooh, they look so burnt. Okay. So I actually only did 2 passes, stopped it after 2, because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do any more than that. It was already getting pretty dark. All right, here's our little mini cookie here. I'm hoping this one might actually be half decent. Let's see. Oh, that's so gross. Everything it does tastes really gross. This is definitely not a food prep machine. Immediate ashy taste. And it's just a ball of cookie dough. Definitely better just to have cookie dough or use an oven. So I put together this list that's like a mile long of all kinds of things that we could laser cut or burn or engrave or just try it out with this laser. But I want to hear your ideas. So if you've got some suggestions, please do leave those in the comments below. I will be making more of these videos because I had a pretty fun time doing it. It was pretty cool. Most of the food was disgusting with the possible exception of the marshmallows, which were not bad actually. Thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you on the next one.